I am making a simple dinner, carrot rice, wagwan massive. So in a pot with 2 cups of water, I added salt, and then I am adding 2 carrots that I scrape, wash, and then cut into small chunks. Gonna cover the pot and cook the carrots, and I eat until they're fork tender. The carrots are now cooked, so I am adding 1 pound of rice, wash until the water runs clear, and make sure that the water is at least 3 inches above the rice. I am using a fork to stir the rice to make sure that it is not clumped up or anything like that. And then I am adding about 2 tablespoons of chiffon. So I'm going to cover the pot and cook the rice on high heat. The water dissolved, but the rice is not cooked as yet. It needs to steam. So I lower the heat to the lowest settings and then use a foil paper to cover the rice, then cover the pot and steam the rice for about 15 minutes so that the rice can be properly cooked. The rice is steamed, and this is how I like my rice. I don't like it too shelly, neither too soft. I like it in between. So I'm using a fork to fluff the rice. I'm gonna let the rice sit in the pot for about 5 minutes before dishing it out. So I'm gonna turn off the heat. You can shred the carrots if you want. You can use more carrots if you want. The choices are all up to you. Now I am having my carrot rice with corned beef, popular called bully beef in Jamaica, and string bean. Now, bully beef is not cheap in Jamaica. It is expensive. And I'm using the bully beef that is salt reduced. So it is even more expensive than the regular bully beef. So there's nothing cheap about this dinner. I'm if I tell you, you see me? Yeah man, so this is my fast, easy, simple, typical Jamaican dinner that tastes so good. Remember to subscribe, click post notification bell, share my